We always enjoy looking at the Airstream trailers, and the Tradewind is the one that's the hot one this year. So let's go look at it and see how they made it extra special. I always enjoy looking at the Airstreams. Walk right in. We got a table, and I can tell that this makes into a bed. That's good. Storage up above. Windows, let some light in. Also blinds so we can shut it. Big windows. Kitchen. I've got room to walk comfortably. I like this. I like the faucet. The drawers are attractive. Ooh, I like that built in. I like that. Don't have to look around for something that fits. And we've got a 3-burner. We've got an oven. The hood. Let's see. Well, there's a little secret to it. There we go. I figured it out. Lots of storage, which is good. Oh, and a big refrigerator. Freezer part. Nice. TV in the front. That's what. Oh, our curtain for privacy. And what do we have in here? We have a nice storage area. I like this. So many times you got things rattling around and you can secure them. Oh, and a mirror there. We need that.
A full-length mirror. You know, you very seldom see a full-length mirror in an RV.
Yeah. Check yourself out before, check yourself out before you go into the world.
2 twins up there.
So we've got the shower.
And then you got couch, table.
And then we have the bathroom. Does this close? Nope, it's not. Big mirror, sink, toilet, towel rack. Nice. I can say that the mattress size on these twin beds look very comfortable. Oh yeah, that is nice and thick and comfortable. That little storage, storage. And I like the curtains. Tie them back or pull them when you want. Oh, and you can pull the wraparound to there. I'm just thinking with these 2 twin beds in this big space, Mr. Bo could sleep in between. I could live with this.
So this Tradewind is 25 feet long, by the way, and I like it. This rear hatch opens up, and then you can be communing with nature. There's a nice screen there that will keep out the bugs and all the critters. Boy, does that ever operate smoothly, really smoothly. And it's not, you know, it's not flimsy like so many of those screens are on RVs. And that's really nice. You could open that up, picture backed up across to a lake or the ocean.
And you know what I'm noticing, getting away from the whites and grays, the warm rust and the warm navy blue back there. Warming it up a little bit, you know, the pendulum swings one way and then it swings back.
Yeah, the Airstream Tradewind.